Hi, my name's Kat and today we're going to make a cactus garden that really rocks. So today for this project you'll need some decorative rocks for the top, some big rocks to paint to look like the cacti, a pot to plant them in, some sand to stand it in. You can use some chubby paints or acrylic paint that you might have lying around home, some goggly eyes, Sharpie pen and some tape. Okay, so firstly we're going to choose a rock that we think looks like a cacti. I like this one, it's got a good shape. So you can use any type of paint that you might have at home, but today I'm going to use a chubby, which is a paint stick, so less mess. Of course, like with any painting, make sure that your rock isn't shiny and it's nice and clean and dry before you start painting. And we're good. So now we've finished painting it, we're going to put it to the side to dry. So while we're waiting for our rock to dry, we're going to grab our terracotta pot. As you can see, most of them have holes in it, so we're going to need to cover that hole with some tape to stop our sand falling out. And voila, the sand isn't coming out of there. So now the fun bit, we're going to grab our Sharpie and our rock and draw some spikes on it and really make it come alive. Now for the final touch, let's make them look a bit more human with some goggly eyes. And now we're going to plant it, push it firmly into the sand, and there we have our spiky cactus garden. The good thing about this is you can write dad rocks, mum rocks, my family rocks, lots of different ideas. And finally, to really make them pop, take some decorative rocks and put them on top.